Sociology is the study of society, human behavior, and interactions. Sociologists examine how institutions like the family and education shape human behavior. They also look at social problems in society, like high unemployment rates. Within a society, we all share a culture, which is a way of life shared by a group of people. We also share norms and values. Norms are unwritten rules which define the acceptable behavior in society. For example, it is unacceptable to pick our nose and eat it. Values are ideas about what is right and wrong, and what is considered as important in our lives. For example, using manners and showing respect is a given in most societies. Norms and values are relative. What is known as acceptable behavior can change with time, culture, ethnicity, gender, and situation. Being nude in the shower is acceptable, but being nude in the supermarket is not okay. Dancing in a nightclub is expected, but dancing in a library is not. We learn our norms and values through socialization. We are taught acceptable ways of behaving by our family, the education system, peers, media, etc. These are known as agents of socialization. Most people follow society's expected norms and values because our agents of socialization use positive and negative sanctions. The police and government enforce formal social control in society. But day to day, our family and peers influence how we behave. Ages 0 to 5 years old, we spend a lot of time with our family learning basic norms and values. This is known as primary socialization. After 5 years old, we experience secondary socialization from other institutions like the education system, peers, workplace, media, etc. Our family teaches us how to walk, talk, read. They teach us manners, hygiene, and respect, etc. The education system teaches us subject knowledge. This is known as the formal curriculum. But whilst we are at school, we learn lessons that are not on our timetable. For example, punctuality, organization, respect. Lastly, peers become a major influence on each other, positively and negatively. Furthermore, we learn several norms and values from religion, work, and media. Let's look at a 3-mark exam question. Describe what sociologists mean by socialization. Here we need to define the term socialization, followed by an example to gain the full 3 marks. Pause the video to read over the model answer. Let's try another exam question. Identify and explain one way that education acts as an agent of informal social control, 4 marks. Here we need to correctly identify one way that school and teachers informally social control us. We need to explain how school and teachers influence our behavior. Here is a model answer with some keywords missing. See if you can fill in the blanks. Pause the video here and play again when you are ready to check your answers. One way is that when a student does a positive act of behavior, they are rewarded. If you work hard in school, you will be praised by your teachers. For example, achievement points. We learn to work hard through the hidden curriculum. This is subtle ways that schools socialize students into acceptable ways of behaving.